Hello everyone, this is Curtis at home cooking. That's right, I'm finna cook something, y'all. I'm gonna fix some breakfast this morning. And what I'm gonna have for breakfast this morning, this is gonna be like a full breakfast. I'm gonna start it out with some grits. I'm gonna have some grits. Let's see, some waffles, some bacon, sausage, let's see, eggs, hash brown. Oh yeah, have all of that. So that's what I'm getting ready to prepare this morning for my complete full breakfast. So stay tuned, because right now I'm finna get prepared. I already have a pot on the stove with some boiling water, and I'm just gonna be putting some grits in there right now. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. Let me show you. See right here. I already have that right there. Boiling water. See that water right in there boiling. And got some of these here. We can see right here. The Quaker Old Fashioned. See that picture there? The grits. Got the eggs on there. Ah yeah. I'm gonna try to fix something like that. It's gonna be good. A good full meal. Oh yeah. Let me see. I got the top off of it. See the grits right in there. Let's pour some of that in the water, cause I already had the water warming up, and I put a little salt off into that water there, just to season up the water so that it can make these grits real good. So we're gonna let that cook right there for a little bit. As you can see right here, we're gonna let it cook, and it don't take long for these grits. But let me get prepared and get my other skillet on here so that we can get these other items on this menu here. All right. Just want to give y'all a little update there. You can see right here. You see how the sausages are looking right there. You got that bacon in there. Look at that. Look at that. It's just sizzling away right there. And we still have over here. We still have the grits. We got them working right there too. Now we got to get the eggs going. We got to get those eggs going now. Give me a minute. Let me get the eggs on here. All right, guys, just wanted to give y'all a little update. Got the eggs working here. I got the hash browns over here, and I finished up that the pan sausage and the bacon right there. So we still got the grits over here, but hey, they already done. They're ready to go. So only one thing left is my waffles, and then we're gonna plate up, and then we're gonna have a grits meal with eggs, hash brown, pan sausage, bacon, and eggs. So give me a minute, and I'm gonna take and put some waffles in here. We got those already ready. They already warmed up, so we're gonna put some in there in a minute. Okay, just give me a minute. Alright guys, the minute that we've been waiting for is that those grits. Oh yeah, I told you I was gonna fix up some grits to have with my breakfast, a complete breakfast of what I have on normally on the weekends. I'll fix a big breakfast like this. Now this breakfast, we got grits, we got hash brown, we got the eggs, easy over. We have the waffles. We got the sausage. We got bacon. Oh, just let me tell you, this here. Oh, I put some syrup on it. Well, got some of that. The waffle syrup you put on there. Got some of that to make it really taste good. Oh yeah. So oh man. So this is the minute that we've been waiting for, and let me go on and share this with y'all. Here we go. Check it out. Can you check it out? Look at that. See if y'all can see it. You see how those grits are looking? See, I topped it off with some sharp cheddar cheese. I put that on there. I have my, as you can see, the eggs right here. Got the egg there. Got this, as you can see right here, I have the hash browns. I cut out some potatoes and cooked that up. Made some hash browns. And you see the bacon right here. Also got the other egg right there. Easy over right there. Bacon. And you see, I got the pan sausage right here. So this is one of these meals you just, oh man. I mean, hey, it's the weekend. You got to fix your big meal. So look here. Also, you see those waffles? Oh yeah, we got those. I had a syrup on there. Oh, so now I'm ready to dig in now. Oh yeah, ready to dig in. Got all of this here. So now I just couldn't have, these grits all alone. Just couldn't do that. No, we gotta have it with something. Your food be lonely. I mean, just eating grits by itself? No, we got the grits. What can I say? We got the grits with something to share with each other. A full meal. Wow. Now this breakfast here is you put time into it to prepare something like this. I mean, if you go out to a restaurant, I mean, what would this cost at a restaurant if you went out to, like, I don't know, one of these Cracker Barrels, just, I don't know, some big restaurant, that you go out to have like a good breakfast meal. What would you pay for something like that? That's the question. What would you pay for something like this here and have this right here? I don't know. What would you say? I don't know, $10, $15 or more? I don't know. Well, price of groceries are up. So, when you go to those places, you're paying for a convenient. And, well, sometimes, we have to convenience ourselves and do it at home. And we get a better meal. Because, hey, I'm looking at this, you guys. And I'm just sharing this a little bit with y'all. But I'm ready to just get in here and get some of this here. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I'm ready to get in some. Look here. I'm just going to have to go on and get some. Y'all know, like the grits. Yeah, I'm going to be getting some of that. Yep. But I'm just sharing this a little bit with y'all. Oh, yeah. Just sharing some with you. Yeah. But yeah, guys, let me go on and eat my breakfast, cause it's gonna get cold. See, I'm gonna get some of them grits. I like this grits, especially with the sharp cheddar cheese on top, and that's great. And get some of this bacon here. Guys, I gotta go. Oh, I'm finna get me a big glass of milk to go with it. So, hey, stay tuned. I'll be cooking something else. Stay tuned. I gotta go now. Let me go and finish on my breakfast though, because I don't want it to get cold. It's good when it's hot. All right, guys. I'll be back soon. Bye.